Hello everyone, I'm Programmer Yan, and today we are going to talk about the comparison operators in C language. And before we talk about the comparison, you once need to know the operator must return some value, like 10 plus 5. The plus is the operator, right? And it has two operands, 10 and 5. And it output 15. So the plus is a binary operator. Why? Because this operator need two operands. So later in other lessons we will see an operator needs three operands or only one operand and only 1, 2, 3. Only 1, 2, 3 operands. Okay. So we are going to know. We're just going to tell you about that. An operator must return something, and in the comparison operator, and just like its name, we are going to compare two numbers. Even though you are not restricted that you are going to compare integer or a character or a floating point or double. It's just your choice. But just be aware when you compare two different data type, and it will cause some unexpected result. Okay, so let's talk about what is the 6 operators. The one is greater than. Why? Because when we read a code, we read it from top to bottom and then left to right. So here, the left one and the right one, you see here, left one should be greater than the right one. So so it is the greater than operator, and the upside is the lesser than operator. And for the greater than, we have another kind of greater than, is a greater or equal. And so you add an equal sign here after the greater sign, and then you have lesser or equal. So it will become real. Let's talk about that later. So here you can see we have double equal sign here. Why? Because when like this, I don't know how to tell this. Like this, one equal sign is also an operator. It is an assignment operator. So what does assignment operator do? It take the right hand side, it assign the right hand side into the left hand side. So it is also an operator. So we cannot use this operator again in the comparison operators. So the inventor of C or who no, I don't know who. So they decide use the double equal sign to mean the equal. And then you have equal, so you need non-equal. So how do you represent non-equal? Just replace the first equal sign. Remember, just the first equal sign. You cannot replace the second equal sign. So you replace the first equal sign with the I don't know what it is called. Oh my god, my English is so poor. Okay, so you just the equal sign just look like this. Okay. So here is a little it's an example. Before we go to example, some viewer might say, or some viewer may have already learned some other kind of programming languages, or somebody knows C++, or somebody has already know something about C languages, and they will say, oh, I know a kind of data type is called bool or boolean. So the boolean is written like this, spelled like this, boolean. So what is a boolean? A boolean value only takes two kinds of data, true or false. Only these two kinds. But why we don't talk boolean in C? But somebody can use boolean value in C because the C compiler can deal with the C code, but actually in C language there is no boolean data type. So how do we represent all the results of these six kind of operators? We only have 0 and non-zero. So the two kinds, only these two kinds. So what is 0 mean? The 0 means false. The 0 means the comparison is false. And so non-zero means the comparison is true. So I mean non-zero, not mean 1. Actually, in the most of case, the true will be represented by 1. But if you give the compiler like 100 and 1000, it will also see it as true. So just remember there are 0 and non-zero. Okay, so here is my example. So I initialized two variables, one called A and it is equal to 10 and B is equal to 7. We can show it and then separate it, and so we can see A greater than B, we expect it is non-zero. Oh my god, we did 0 because it is true. So and B, A lesser than B, we expect it is 0. So then A is greater or equal to Z is non-zero. So again, lesser or equal is 0. Okay, so here you can see I reassigned I reassigned the same value to A and B. I assigned 12 to A and 12 to B. So now they become equal. So you can say here A is larger or equal than B. It is non-zero because they are equal. So yeah, you can see this one is also non-zero, and the equal one is also non-zero. So the non-equal one is become 0. Okay, so this increment are our expectation, and let us compile this code and see if the expectation meets our result. Okay, so let's see. So here A is 10, B is 7. Okay, so the first one is non-zero, yes, 0, yes, non-zero, yes, 0, yes, and then here A and B is both 12. So this one, yes, non-zero, yes, non-zero, yes, 0, yes. So okay, so all of the result meets our expectation. So yeah, this is the comparison operator. So in the next video, I will talk about how to combine the result of comparison, or how to combine two or three or any number you like, how the result of the comparison or result of other things. So yeah, we will talk about the logical operators in the next video. So this is the end of this today's tutorial, and if you like my video, please click the like button for me. And if you feel like you have some question, or you think I'm not teach very well, or I have teach something wrong, please comment below. Please leave your comment, and I will reply you. definitely. Okay, so if you want to receive this kind of short tutorials of programming languages and sometimes some gaming recording, some gaming records, and you can subscribe my channel, and remember to turn on the alert, so then you won't miss any new videos. Okay, so this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.